Diane and Derek here, rah rah rah. So how is your week going? Are you feeling a little bit of, lacking inspiration? Well, don't worry, I am here. I am here with 5 minutes of declutter motivation, and we're working in Flylady Zone 3 this week. I will put up the little inspiration list of what we can clean and declutter in Flylady Zone 3. And remember, we're not looking to tick everything off the list. We're just making a little bit of improvements every day. Hopefully you're doing well also with your weekly planning. I was feeling a bit not really with it yesterday, but check my plan and it's all good. We're just moving forward. Anyway, talking of moving forward, here are the items that I have decluttered since last week. Remember in February I checked in with you every single day, and I'm just going to show you the things at random. I'm doing it here in the bathroom because it gives you a good visual that we're working Flylady Zone 3 this week, but declutter wherever you are. So starting with some books. Hubby's been decluttering books and so have I, and before I forget, we have decluttered a whole bookshelf down in the basement. I'll show you that quickly here. Oh, isn't that amazing? So you really know when you're making decluttering progress when you're actually getting rid of boxes and storage things. So books are going. I also tidied out my little swing basket. This is one that I got from my granny. Oh, when I left home when I was 21 years old, I'm now 55, it's my little swing basket. It was getting a bit messy, and one night I went through it, and I have various bits and bobs of pins, and I don't need all these pins, you know, one pack is enough. Little measuring tape, I've got measuring tapes, thimbles, never wear thimbles, extra needles. I only use the needles that are really easy to thread. So all those are being passed on. Some items from the kitchen, when I was decluttering in the kitchen last week, my baking drawer, one of these pastry rollers which is Lego shapes, and another measuring tape from the kitchen, one of these things that didn't work for us, another pastry cutter, and another one. That was just going in plastic recycling. That was a freebie thing. All those are going. Chipped sugar bowl. I had repaired it a couple of times and now it's time to go. So that is going. And the things that can be used again, obviously they're going in the bag for the next swap party that we have, or to the charity shop or the book exchange. You get the idea. A blanket that my daughter had at her apartment, we're not going to use it, so that's going. And at the weekend, when I was with my Blue Tips Chill Swimmers group, I wore this pair of fluffy socks, but actually they're just kind of too big, don't enjoy them, so they're fresh out of the wash today, and they're being passed on. Woo! Can you keep up? Some more random cables. And this whole storage box, clear that out. Plus I've got a whole lot of paper items, let me just show you. Ooh, all the fun stuff. Right, an origami set. That will be going on onto a friend who's got kids. I've also got sets of origami papers. I'm not going to use those again. And I've kept some sheets of coloured paper, but my kids are now 20, soon to be 21 and 23 now, and we just don't do all that crafting anymore. So all these are being passed on, and somebody else is going to love these. I mean, look at these funky, shiny papers. And the observant of you will notice that I'm wearing the earrings that I got at the last swap party. I made a video about that last week. So I'm trying this today, and when I first put them on this morning, I was like, a bit too much. And often if I've got something like this, I'll wear it at home. I won't immediately wear it outside because then it's kind of too late to change it if I'm not comfy with it. So I'll wear it around the house, and then after a couple of days I'm like, okay, it's not too much. So yes, no. And I'm thinking they're probably a yes. So Zone 3, the bathroom plus one other room, could be the garden shed, somewhere in your basement, your office, kids' playroom. And remember, set a timer before you start. Just go for 5 or 10 minutes. I have lots of videos where you can see me in action decluttering for 10-15 minutes maximum. Set yourself up for success before you start decluttering. Make sure you've got a bag and a box, bag box, whatever you've got, for donations and also for recycling, okay? And when you're done, remember to give yourself a pat on the back, okay? And I shall be cheering you on with my pom-poms. So remember, like the video, subscribe, share with a friend, blah, 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 blah. Let me know what you are decluttering today. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the decluttering Hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with a wrap. Okay, bye for now.